Boston Center, Turkish 3 Heavy.
Turkish 3, go.
Boston Center, Turkish 3 Heavy. We have six passengers on board. He is 55 years old and white and 40, big number 42 Charlie. If possible, we request priority and any direct possible for us, Turkish 3 Heavy.
Turkish 3, you're cleared direct to parts at this time, and you said 6 passengers requiring assistance?
After landing, we might need assistance for the 6 passengers, Turkish 3 Heavy.
Turkish 3, roger. I'll get a little bit more detail from you, but just confirm it was 6 passengers are not feeling well?
That's affirmative. We have six passengers. He is 55 years old, white, and seating number is 42 Charlie, Turkish 3 Heavy.
And Turkish 3, I just want to confirm some information there. Just confirm, is it a single passenger, one passenger, and did you say 55-year-old female? And was the seat 43 Charlie? Confirm.
Sir, it's a 55-year-old male, 42 Charlie seat. He has some breathing problems. The doctor examined him. He said the Netherlands get a priority. He might have a heart attack in following hours.
All right, Turkish 3, thank you. I understand that.
Boston Center, good Turkish 3 Heavy, maintaining double 360 on course to park.
Turkish 3, Boston Center, good morning. Whenever you get more information about the emergency, let me know, please.
Roger, Turkish 3. Boston Center, Turkish 3 Heavy. According to information from the doctor, 6 passengers' situation is getting worse, and we request any available direct for us. We request to land immediately, Turkish 3.
Turkish 3, roger, and do you happen to know if it's a male, female, what the age is, and what the type of emergency is?
He is having a problem while breathing. He is male, 55 years old, and seating number is 42 Charlie, Turkish 3.
Turkish 3, roger, and we'll pass the information along, and you're clear direct to Calverton for now.
Clear direct position Calverton now, Turkish 3 Heavy, and we are ready for descent.
Turkish 3, roger, you can descend a pilot check to maintain flight 240.
Descend and maintain flight level 240, Turkish.
Turkish 3, do you happen to know your gate number?
Not yet, we don't have it now, Turkish.
Turkish 3, I'm sorry, say the gate again.
We don't have that information yet. 3 Heavy.
Roger, and you're going to want medical assistance at the, when you land?
We need a medical assistance at the gate. It will be in Terminal 1, but we don't know the exact gate, Turkish 3 Heavy. Turkish 3 Heavy. Also request the possible landing runway for us for the approach.
You want to land the long runway there?
Stand by, Turkish 3. Boston Center, Turkish 3 Heavy. We request ILS approach runway 22 left in this case.
22 left, roger. We'll pass it along. Thank you, sir.
Roger. Boston Center, Turkish 3 Heavy. Can you confirm you can coordinate ILS approach for runway 22 left for us?
Yeah, we'll pass that information along to New York Approach. They'll have the RNAV for you.
RNAV copy, Turkish 3 Heavy. Turkish 3 Heavy, we are declaring medical emergency. The suspect is now having a heart attack possible.
Turkish 3, roger. We'll go ahead and pass it along. You're cleared direct to Rober.
Direct position Rober now, Turkish 3 Heavy, at descending level 240. Turkish 3 Heavy, medical emergency, descending 240 and preparing for RNAV GPS display runway 22 left.
I'm sorry, who was that?
Turkish 3 Heavy, medical emergency.
Turkish So you're better off making these requests with the next sector. You're not going to be talking to approach for another 2 frequencies. They will be able to pass the message along.
Request for the
Free, descend to maintain flight level 180.
Descend to maintain flight level 180, Turkish 3 Heavy.
Turkish 3, contact Boston Center on 135.8.
135.8, Turkish 3 Heavy. Southwest, good day, Turkish 3 medical emergency, descending level 180 on course to Robert.
Turkish 3, Boston Center, right.
Turkish 3, confirm runway 22 left, runway GPS right. Boston Center, Turkish 3 Heavy.
Turkish 3, you can expect RNAV X-ray with approach ahead.
Just confirm RNAV X-ray approach runway 22 left, confirm.
Yep, we're clear for that yet. Expected to get with approach.
Thanks, sir. Southwest, Turkish 3 Heavy. We request direct position copy now.
What's that?
Direct position copy. Turkish 3 Heavy, Charlie Alpha Papa India Tango.
Start with me one more time.
We request direct position copy. Charlie Alpha Papa India Tango for shotgun 33.
And Turkish 3, approved the request.
Roger, directed now Charlie Alpha Papa India Tango, Turkish 3. Turkish 3 Heavy also request further descent please.
Turkish 3, descend the path, rest to maintain 12,000, the Kennedy altimeter, 1095.
This time 12,000 at altimeter 29995 and we are maintaining high speed 320 knots, Turkish 3 Heavy.
Turkish 3, yep, no speed restriction, no attach.
Thank you very much, no speed restriction, Turkish 3. Turkish 3 Mayday aircraft descending 12,000 and our 6th passenger now we are flying CPR.
Okay, thank you. Turkish 3, turn 10 degrees left vectors for traffic.
Left vector, copy, Turkish 3.
Turkish 3, turn 10 left and approach will vector you over there, but cap it, they know that's what you want to do.
Sorry, can you say again, Turkish 3?
Turkish 3, just turn the 10 degrees left and approach is going to work you and vector you over cap it. They need you on that heading.
Okay, Roger. Now maintaining heading 245, left vector, Turkish, vector for cabin copy, Turkish 3, Mayday. Sir, Turkish 3 Heavy, emergency aircraft. Sir, could you coordinate for us after landing, closer area to get a medical assistance for the sick passenger, please?
You're requesting medical attention for the sick passenger when you land, is that correct?
Yes, sir. After vacating runway closest spot for medical assistance.
Understood, I'll pass it on.
Thank you, sir.
Turkish 3, just so I'm on the same page, do you want the medical attention to meet you right off the runway, or are you okay to go to the gate and then get the medical attention?
Sir, going to gate might take some time. A proper place after vacating the runway, closes the runway, proper place.
Understood, thank you. Turkish 3, you're research at Capit.
Direct position Capit, Turkish 3. Airport Turkish 3, Mayday request. Further descent, please.
Turkish 3, I'll have your approach here in just a second.
Copy.
Turkish 3, contact near approach 125.7 today.
125.7, good day, Turkish 3. Approach, good day, Turkish 3, Mayday, we request, we maintain 12,000, request further descent.
Turkish 3, heavy New York approach, the altimeter 2993, 8 Echo, you can expect the RNAV X-ray, runway 22 left approach.
Expecting RNAV X-ray 22 left at altimeter 29993, Turkish 3, have and request further descent.
Turkish 3 heavy, I'll have a descent for you in just a second, sir.
Roger.
Turkish 3 Heavy, descend to maintain 9,000, the Kennedy altimeter 2993.
Descend to maintain 9,000, altimeter 2993, Turkish 3 Heavy.
Turkish 3 Heavy, you're currently 13 miles from Cabot, cross Cabot at or above 2,900, cleared for the RNAV X-ray, runway 22 left approach.
Direct to Cabot, descend to maintain 2,900 feet, X position. Cabot and clear for RNAV X-ray approach, runway 22 left, Turkish 3 Heavy, mayday.
Turkish 3 Heavy, contact Kennedy Tower 1191, good day.
1191, good day, Turkish 3 Heavy. 3 Heavy, mayday. On course to Cabot.
Turkish 3 Heavy, K Tower, runway 22 left, turtle.
Clear to land, runway 22 left, Turkish 3 Heavy.
Turkish 3 Heavy, emergency equipment standing by.
Did you call Turkish 3?
Turkish 3 Heavy.
Go ahead, please, Turkish 3 Heavy.
The plan is to vacate the runway via Juliet and then to hold short of Yankee, and then the EMTs will meet you on taxiway Juliet.
Roger, we'll vacate via Juliet, hold short of Yankee, and we are waiting for the medical assistance on Juliet, Turkish 3.
Turkish 3 Heavy, vacate via Juliet, and then hold short of Yankee, the EMTs will meet you there.
Vacate via Juliet, hold short of Yankee, Turkish 3, mayday.
And Turkish 3 Heavy?
Go ahead, please, Turkish 3 Heavy.
The emergency equipment will be on frequency 121.65. Switch to 121.65.
Okay, Roger, switching now 12165, Turkish 3 Heavy.
Turkish 3 Heavy.
Emergency control, hello, Turkish 3 mayday.
Turkish 3 Heavy, Canada ground.
We are holding short at Yankee, off Juliet. Waiting for the medical assistance now.
Turkish 3-3, we just want to confirm you still want the EMTs to for assistance at this point?
I'm still unsuitable. Can you say again, Turkish 3?
Turkish 3 Heavy, at this point, at this location where you are, do you want the EMTs to help?
Affirmative, Turkish 3 Heavy.
Okay, Turkish 3 Heavy, you could shut down there, and the rescue team is there on the same frequency if you want to speak to them.